The ultimate guide to saving money, best tips and tricks. Saving money is an essential skill that can help you achieve your financial goals and live a more comfortable life. In this video, we'll be exploring the best ways to save money and how you can implement them into your daily life. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we'll be discussing something that's important to all of us, saving money. We all want to have more money in our pockets, but it's easier said than done. Saving money requires discipline and some lifestyle changes. However, it's not impossible, and in this video, we'll be sharing some of the best tips and tricks to help you save money. Tip number 1, create a budget. The first step towards saving money is creating a budget. A budget is a financial plan that outlines your income and expenses. It will help you track your spending and identify areas where you can cut back. When creating a budget, start by listing all your sources of income, including your salary, bonuses, and any other sources of income. Next, list all your expenses, including bills, rent/mortgage, food, entertainment, and any other expenses you have. Once you have your budget, you'll be able to identify areas where you can cut back and start saving money. Tip number 2, use coupons and discounts. Another great way to save money is by using coupons and discounts. Many stores offer coupons and discounts on their products, which can help you save a lot of money. You can also sign up for reward programs to earn points and discounts on future purchases. Additionally, consider buying generic brands instead of name brands. In most cases, generic brands offer the same quality as name brands but at a lower price. Tip number 3, limit eating out. Eating out can be expensive, and it's one of the areas where many people overspend. Instead of eating out, consider cooking at home. Cooking at home is not only cheaper but also healthier. You can also meal prep for the week, which will save you time and money in the long run. If you must eat out, consider going to restaurants that offer discounts or specials. Tip number 4, use cashback apps. Cashback apps are a great way to earn money while you shop. These apps give you cash back on your purchases, and you can redeem the cash for gift cards or cash. Some popular cashback apps include Rakuten, Ibotta, and Honey. Tip number 5, start investing. Investing is a great way to grow your money and save for the future. There are many investment options available, including stocks, mutual funds, and real estate. Investing can be intimidating, but there are many resources available to help you get started, including investment apps and financial advisors. Saving money is not easy, but it's an essential skill that can help you achieve your financial goals. By creating a budget, using coupons and discounts, limiting eating out, using cashback apps, and investing, you can save money and live a more comfortable life. We hope these tips have been helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more great content. Thank you for watching.